Suzuki Access 125 BS7. Engine and mileage. Powering the Suzuki Access 125 BS7 is the same reliable 124cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine, now tuned for BS7 compliance. It produces smoother power delivery with better throttle response. The biggest highlight is its improved fuel efficiency, with mileage figures expected around 48 to 50 km/h, depending on riding conditions. Thanks to Suzuki's eco-performance CEP technology, the BS7 model offers better performance without compromising on smoothness. Features: Suzuki has equipped the new Access 125 BS7 with a range of modern features. It now comes with a fully digital console, Bluetooth connectivity for call and SMS alerts, LED headlamp, and an external fuel filler cap for convenience. The scooter also includes side stand engine cutoff, USB charging port, and a larger underseat storage space. These updates make it a perfect mix of practicality and smart technology for Indian riders. Price and ME. The new Suzuki Access 125 BS7 is priced starting from 83,000 rupees ex-showroom depending on the variant. It's available in drum, disc, and special edition trims.